What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Twitch. How to stream on Twitch. I just want to make sure that I'm on the right thing here. All right, so in the last episode, we went through adding some sources and stuff like that. I will do a how to add camera, a webcam, as well as like once you have your microphone set up, doing some of the best settings that I've found in order to make your microphone sound as crisp as possible. But for now, what I thought about over the past week was I was like, okay, so I have a couple of videos, but I'd really like to go into actually like on Twitch. And I think the first most important thing that everybody should have on their Twitch panel, on their Twitch page is some panels. So these are the panels. This is how it looks on my Twitch. And we're just gonna go ahead and add a panel, and I'll show you guys the process of that. So all you have to do to get here is you go up to where your thing is, your little profile picture, you go to channel, you just click that, and then it'll send you to here, like with your videos and your streams and all this kind of stuff. And then you're just gonna wanna go over to chat. All right, now that we're here, then we can go ahead and start adding some of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, you wanna hit edit panels. And I'm just gonna have to add a new one just because I've already got all my panels and I have them exactly the way that I like. So we're gonna go ahead and click the little plus button down here. You won't have all these, obviously. And then you're gonna hit that. And then you're gonna hit add a text or image panel. And this is what I would just recommend at first. You can always kind of go, you can add some extensions, you can add some leaderboards and stuff like that. But I would just recommend at first just having some simple things, and I'll show you how to add those. So you're just gonna do that. You're gonna title your panel something. I would always start with an about me, and then you just want to go to description and be like, I am a cool dude, and make sure you hit submit. All right, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and hit this where you hit edit panels. You're just gonna uncheck that box, and you should see right there. Okay, it's really small just because I have I have panels already, but this is just a test. So you have about me, I am a cool dude. So all you should see if you don't have panels already is you should just see it up here. It'll be exactly this, about me. All right, so you've got that. But if you wanted to do something maybe a little cooler, you could go to edit panels. You could get rid of this. You could go add image. And then you could add a picture. So I have a few that I have saved. And let me see if I can just find them real quick. There we go. All right, so you just add a picture. So if you wanted to add maybe like, let's see, we'll do Twitter because most people have Twitter. So you just find the picture that you want to add. So what I did at first before I had like this actual theme pack was I just saved a picture of the Twitter logo off of Google Images and saved it to my desktop, and then just uploaded the file here. So it would just be a picture of the Twitter logo, which most people know what the Twitter logo looks like, so they'll know that, hey, that's his Twitter. And there's two options from here on. So you could either just put, instead of I am a cool dude, you could just put https twitter.com/ whatever your name is. And then okay. And so you've got that. So you could do this. This is a valid option. And then if somebody clicks on it, it'll bring you to your Twitter. No problem. Or instead of doing that, you can do something maybe a little fancier. So instead of typing it in the description here, you can just go ahead and copy, paste that. And so it'll link, this picture will link. So it just looks a little cleaner, I think. You can do it pretty much however you want, but that's just what I would recommend. Just because it looks really nice and clean. It'll show up on mobile really nice. They just click on the banner here and you see there's a hyperlink there. So you could go to open link in new tab, or you could just click on it and there you go. Now you're at your Twitter. So that just looks kind of clean. You could do the same thing for Instagram. You can also do things like this where you go to like your merch store, shameless plug. I do have merch. I have hoodies, mugs, mouse pads, one with a Warzone, just because why not? And then t-shirts and yeah, so you could do that. You could add in all that kind of stuff. Another one that I would recommend for somebody who's just starting out is I would definitely recommend that you have an Instagram. If you don't already have one, I would recommend that you have a Twitter. If you don't already have one, you can use your personal one, or you can just create another one. Like I have 2 different Instagrams, one for personal, for IRL stuff, and then I have my Anarchist Mosher branded, like a business Instagram. For my Twitter, I just have one. I just have the one. You can do it any other kind of way that you wanted. You can link YouTube's, you can link your PayPal link if you want to take donations. I just have some rules as well as some like things that you can do in chat, and I'll show you how to set up chatbot in a different episode. But yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it as far as adding panels. You can add them and delete them kind of however you want. There's also tons of really cool extensions. You can have like an emote showcase. You can have I mean there's tons of extensions. If I were to go into here, I mean you can do, let's see, some games have them, like Overwatch, where it'll have a little thing right there on web, and it'll show like your Overwatch stats, Fortnite stats. Destiny 2, it'll show you like your loadout, your stats, everything, and that's pretty cool. I just don't play those games on stream, so I don't have, you know, those. I don't have any of those overlays. If somebody really wants to ask, they can just ask, but as far as that goes, I think the only one that I do have is the Destiny 2 one, but I just haven't used that in a while, so that's kind of a cool thing as well. The extensions are always a lot of fun to kind of play around with and see what you got, but once you got that, you can move them around. You just drag and drop. And yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it. I don't know what this one is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as adding panels, guys. But definitely hope you enjoy this quicker episode. And then in the next episode, I'm going to show you what your stream manager looks like and how you can kind of edit things like that, and some important information that you should have on that one as well. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.